Hi, my name is Joe, Managing Director of Defluo Plumbing and Drainage Limited. Our offices are based just outside Darford in Kent. We started trading in 2008 with a fleet of 8 vehicles and have steadily expanded to our current level of 26 vehicles. We believe the key to our success is our high level of customer service and first-class level of workmanship. We offer a genuine 24-hour emergency service and aim to attend to any emergency within 2 hours. Our vehicles are fully equipped to deal with all plumbing, drainage and heating repairs, installations and maintenance. All of our engineers are directly employed and have their relevant qualifications associated with their trades. For more information or for a free quotation, please visit our website or call one of our team.